आखिर दीपिका पादुकोण और अनन्या पांडे को क्यों किया गया स्लैम? दीपिका पादुकोण और अनन्या पांडे को किया गया स्लैम सिर्फ ब्रैड पिट की तारीफ करने के लिए। दीपिका पादुकोण और अनन्या पांडे के फैंस उनसे करना चाहते हैं सवाल। दरअसल बात यह है कि दीपिका पादुकोण could not contain her admiration for actor Brad Pitt following the global release of his much anticipated film F1 और उसके बाद दीपिका took to her Instagram stories to share a playful tribute to Brad Pitt। तो वहीं पर थर्सडे को भी अनन्या पांडे followed the suit and said that she loved Brad Pitt। However, इन दोनों एक्ट्रेसेस की ये तारीफ जरा नेटिजन्स को पसंद नहीं आई। The actresses have irked a section of netizens on Reddit who are trolling them for openly supporting Brad Pitt despite the domestic and child abuse allegations leveling against him by his ex-wife Angelina Jolie। आपको बता दें, दीपिका पादुकोण took to her Instagram stories and wrote Brad Pitt, that's it, that's the post। IYKYK, Ananya Pandey posted, I love the movies, I love F1, I love caramel and cheese popcorn and I love Brad Pitt। With these declarations, Deepika and Ananya joined millions of fans around the world in swooning over the 60-year-old Hollywood actor's performance as a Formula One driver। कुछ Reddit users ने point out किया कि the actresses ignored the fact that there is evidence of domestic and child abuse against Brad Pitt। One person wrote, wife beater, that's it, that's the post, IYKYK। Another mentioned, are we forgetting Brad Pitt is a known domestic abuser? Is Deepika Padukone okay? One comment read, the way everyone has moved on from that pretending like it never happened, it's crazy। The Hollywood industry and just audience in general just don't seem to care। Crazy considering Angelina the survivor is a huge star herself। एक और कमेंट ने लिखा, celebrities should stop supporting and praising known domestic abusers and shitty people। Another added, Brad Pitt is a wife beater and abuser, please someone tell her team। One comment read, we know what he did to his wife and kids to the point that none of his kids want to attach his name to theirs। Another mentioned, when the actor has beaten up his kids and choked their mother in front of them on an aeroplane, it kinda is problematic to love them, and to broadcast that love is wildly stupid and insensitive। आपको बता दें कि ब्रैड पिट और एंजेलिना जोली दरअसल इन्वॉल्व हुए थे पब्लिक एपिसोड में जो हुआ था सितंबर 2016 में ड्यूरिंग अ प्राइवेट फ्लाइट फ्रॉम फ्रांस टू लॉस एंजलिस, और तब उनकी देन वाइफ एंजेलिना जोली और उनके 6 बच्चे भी उनके साथ सफर कर रहे थे। According to Angelina Jolie's court findings, Brad Pitt grabbed her by the head and shook her and then choked one of the children and struck another in the face। When they intervened, it was also said that he poured beer on Jolie and poured beer and red wine on the children। हालांकि Brad Pitt was not charged in the matter and Angelina Jolie introduced these serious allegations in a 2022 countersuit within their protracted winery dispute। अब जो भी हो, certain sections of the internet definitely continue to troll Deepika and Ananya और फैंस भी क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि बॉलीवुड इनसाइडर्स ऐसे लोगों को क्यों सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। आपको बता दें, वैसे तो करण जौहर और हंसल मेहता ने भी पोस्ट शेयर किए थे अबाउट ब्रैड पिट्स फिल्म, लेकिन हाँ, दीपिका और अनन्या को ही फिलहाल फैंस ने ट्रोल किया है।